like in my life I've put out like a lot of music, you know.
What's a lot?
But
like 5 or 2? For two can be a lot for a lot of people.
Like more than 30.
More than 30
mixtapes, yeah.
30 mixtapes.
Yeah.
Are you listening to this, bro?
I used to like do it for the love a lot.
So you saying you got more mixtapes than Youngster CPT?
How many mixtapes?
Yeah, 30 mixtapes. The 30th one is coming out at the end of April. Produced by Malone the Boom from Switzerland, so a nice international link. And yeah, it's my final mixtape.
Yeah.
Everything.
30 mixtapes.
Full package.
I'm the mixtape king, right? That means you like the king of mixtapes.
Yeah. Straight facts.
Yeah. Bengarekhoda kuqala bathi yarekhoda Mamunye. Man, these bitches is mad that I'm not the man they knew before. Been an angry player ever since growing up playing God of War. Kids be treating me like they lord, while the fire is remaining contagious through my vocal cords. You seeking for beef, man, what you gunning for? Couldn't sue me, homie, pause. I might celebrity so much, that's why DJ Switch was acting envy before the pod. I'm still a come up artist, but yet I'm still matured. Wanna go against the samurai, you better draw your swords. But Mize that's right, cause I'm street smart. Lendo tikuli dibanisi, stiff pop and a bill chat. Now that I record a lot of songs, I gotta build the charts. Tell me Mdasekaya who's as rude as us. Who is kukulele gas, but still I'm smoking in English, just like knowing how to tell a white kid to pass a blunt. Dalan tell mthandazweni, dalan waste ixesha nditenda ncam ususu watch esnqeni. Smoked a lot of rappers before the sun was up. Ngathi ntshaya intsangu ekuseni, wanna sabotage my character. I wish I had a COVID, dikhohlelele ebusweni. Kids be treating me like they lord, while the fire is remaining contagious through my vocal cords. I guess I'm not going back to who I was before.
Somebody suck me.